Okay, so, sorry, I'll flip it back over. Okay, so guys, today I will be showing you guys a game, or not really you guys, more like Robbie. You did the game of you and your dogs doing it, and now I'll do a game of me and my dogs doing it. So, I really do like this game. It's pretty fun, and what I like to do is, since my house has like kind of more room than you, I have all of this room, and then if I want I can go out there and all the way down there, or I can just go back there, but I think right now I'll just stay in here. Okay, Saber, Charlie, come on. No, Charlie, no, Saber, Charlie. Ah, no, 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 oh, no, Saber, Saber. Come here, come on, come on. Ow, Saber, no, that's my ankles. Ow, Saber, 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 Saber. Hey, okay, that's enough. Okay, as you can see, that was fun. Probably gonna do a little bit more of that. And remember, like it, Robbie, like it. Hey, I also have one more question for you. Did your sister get a phone? Not your older sister, your little sister.